busy week in entertainment. Here's what made the Intense 5. Despite their tries to prove that he was innocent, Tory Lanez was convicted of the shooting. Megan, you got your justice. Boy oh boy, Nick Cannon is a daddy again. So baby number 12 is here. Nick, you definitely have a plan and Akon is your biggest supporter. Be fruitful and multiply. Spice posted her very blue-themed Christmas. It's good to see the Queen up and about. Just take your time, Spicy. We are here waiting for your return. So we all thought that Burna Boy's jet was waiting on him after the concert. Well, not only did he party in Mobay for a few days, he was also spotted at Yush. Now we're hearing he wants to buy a house right here in Jamaica. Burna, you're welcomed here anytime, okay? And finally holding the spot this week, Queenie versus Amari at Sting. Why, oh why, oh why? One thing though, them full of energy. Like, they gave the win to Queenie, so, congrats, girl. Crazy, never lazy. That's it for the Intense 5. Remember to follow us on IG at TVJ Intense for the latest in entertainment. Up